qualified faculty member, a DST Inspire Fellow, Research Fellow, and a recipient of the several Best Paper Awards at the national and international conferences. His research contributions span cutting-edge areas such as machine learning, hyperspectral imaging, smart agriculture, IoT, pharmaceutical data analysis, and AI-based system. Reflected through the numerous scopus and Web of Science index publication, book chapters, and conference proceeding. Dr. Gupta's innovative mindset is further evident through his through his patents and design registrations, particularly in the domain of the smart agriculture, renewable energy, and IoT-based system. His active involvement as an NPTEL SPOC Board of Studies member, class coordinator, and SWAM NPTEL mentor highlights his commitment to academic quality, curriculum development, and student-centric learning. Beyond the academics, Dr. Gupta has actively participated in the faculty development programs, workshops, national conferences, and expert talk, continually updating himself with the emerging technologies and educational trends. His professional membership with the IETE and IAENG further reflects his engagement with the global engineering and research community. We are indeed privileged to have with us a scholar who interested teaching, research, innovation, and service. On behalf of everyone present, I once again extend a heartfelt welcome to Dr. Rohit Gupta and look forward to his valuable insight, inspiring thoughts, and meaningful contributions. Welcome, Dr. Gupta, and we wish you continued success and excellence in your future endeavors. Please, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. It is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first of all, I would like to thank to the UGC Malviya Mission Teacher Training Center, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, to give me this opportunity here to deliver my session. I would also like to thank coordinator, Dr. Namrata ma'am, Associate Professor from Department of Computer Science and IT. Thanks. Now today we start with the session. The session as MOOCs as an ICT tool with AI integration in education and research. So these are the contents that we will cover throughout our complete session. Now, when we talk about a 21st century, so we already know when we work with as academician or as a researcher, there the ICT is very, very important. So the ICT is rapid growth in technology that have increased literacy, standard of living, health, and life expectancy. So when we use ICT in our life or as well as in our academics, so our life will be easy, and whatever things we are using, those we can use efficiently with the help of this ICT. So we use this for modifying the products, to improving the quality of the products, and also we can use it for selling and marketing the goods services. So we can use our ICT for our business purpose. So for that we can do these things. ICT can mainly defines in the information handling tools, which will allow us to store, process, produce, and deploy exchange of information for the development of India. ICT has extremely transformed way of our acting, thinking, and working. So with the help of this ICT, we can growth our economic we can use it in our environmental process, and also we can use it as a socially. So the ICT play a very, very important role for our financial goals, where we are surviving for our environmental, and it can be useful for the societal. When we talk about economical, it will sustainability refers to the growth of economy without creating excessive stress and social or natural resources. So whatever natural resources we are using for our purpose, so those we can use efficiently without harmful them with the help of this ICT. For environmental sustainability, we can use it for building the natural resources, and we can using for perceiving on the environmental, social sustainability, and refers to for our society. Now, when we talk about ICT, it has a components. The components like first of all our data. So whatever data we have that we use, then the hardware. With the help of hardware, we can gather that data. Then we use a softwares as per our requirement. So suppose if we talk about our in our academics, so for that we can use a softwares, academician softwares. Then with the help of the data, whatever machines we are using and that software, we are going to produce, we are doing a procedure, and after that procedure we convert that data, whatever we got, that will be converted into the information. So previously the data that we have, that will be converted into the information, and that the informative data we can pass it to the people. So with the help of this all components, we can use this ICT effectively. Now the data we already know, it is the raw materials that we can use for the further analysis. The hardware that we can use like input output devices, the storage devices that we use, then the communication devices and the processor. So the devices, normally we use input output devices, storage devices like hard drive. Previously we use a floppy disk, now currently we use hard drives, pen drive, CD. Then the communication devices we use first of all we can use this internet, then our communication devices like mobile phones, and the processor that we using. So with the help of this hardware part, we can process on our data, and the data can be processed with the help of some softwares. So the software is nothing but the set of instruction to design to get the job done. Then the procedure that we have to follow, that procedure we use, it defines what we want from the data. So as per our requirement, we do the procedure. It also consisting the passing of the information between the different people and systems. So the procedure is as per our requirement and as per objective. So whatever objective we have defined, with on the basis of that objective, we are doing the procedure. After this processing, finally we got the information. Previously we have data. The data we will get in the form of information, and that data have some meaning. So that meaningful data, we can use it for our further analysis. Like the people need to enter data on ICT system, taking decisions, making judgment from that output. So whatever the information or the process data we got, on the basis of that data, we can make a judgment, and from that we can give the output to the ICT system. Then the applications that comes under this ICT. So ICT can be useful for the e-governance. So nowadays we already know, with the help of this e-governance, there are many projects by the government. Like with the help of this ICT, we can do our many things at our home with the help of our simple system. Like we can use this e-governance mechanism. Like for if I want to work with a if I want to work for my government documents, so that I can do from home, no need to go to the office. Like for the registry office, that can be done. Registry, it is in the process, so that can be done from the home. Then the various bills we can pay. We can take an income certificate. We can go for the domicile. So throughout this e-government, we can do this. Like the Umang app will be there from the government. With the help of that Umang application, we can do the many things. Those are related to the government offices. Then the industries, in the industry we can use the ICT tool. For the business purpose also, we can use the various softwares. Those also comes under this ICT. Then very, very important, our education. So in the education, currently we are using as ICT tool for the Google Classroom. Then the Swayam Prabha, NPTEL. Then we go with others like global online MOOC platform like EDX, Udemy, those we can use it. And for our classroom learning, we use the PowerPoint presentation that is also comes under this education or the ICT. We can use ICT for the health sector. Then the agriculture nowadays, the ICT is mostly used in the agricultural sector. We go with the sensors and IoT devices, so that is also part of this ICT. And the very important transportation like the Uber and the Ola apps we are using for tracking the our resources. Then so for booking the ticket, for that also we can use this ICT tools. And the entertainment we already know with the help of the various mobile applications or the mobile app, we can enjoy the entertainment at anywhere, any place. So these are some basic applications. Those are comes under this ICT sector. So the education, industries, business, agriculture, health, defense, transportation, and entertainment, and many more. So hence you can consider that in the all applications that nowadays we are using, in the all domains we are working, there the ICT will be there. So ICT is a very important part from our life nowadays. So up to now, whatever we have seen, it is a basic introduction regarding the ICT. Our main part is a MOOCs. So how the MOOCs as a major part we can consider for the ICT. So with the help of this MOOC, it will be enabled for the digital content creation and storage. So MOOCs is a massive open online contents those we are using. So here the first point that it is enable digital content creation and storage. So the digital content means whatever the lectures that currently I am giving, this lecture, if I record and I have put it on the internet, and this lecture will be open to all who wants to learn this ICT. So this lecture will be open to them, and they are going to access this lecture from their mobile phone or from their laptop or the electronic devices, whatever they have with them. And with the help of that, they are going to access it, and they are going to take the benefit from it. So this is the one part of this MOOC. So it will going to enable the digital content creation and storage. So this content will be available on the internet, or it will be available a lifelong, so that we can use at anywhere at any time. Then it's provide online delivery through internet and the cloud platforms. Again, it supports a technology based assessment and the certification. Then it will use a learning analytics to track the learner progress. So at classroom teaching, what we do, we give the assignments and we check those assignments through our manually. So instead of that doing, what this MOOCs courses are doing, if I attend that lecture, if I complete that lecture, the lecture progress will be there. How much time I have completed that lecture, whatever the assignments or the MCQs was given there, I have solved this or not, that can be checked. So that can be tracked, and we can say it is a tracking a learner progress. So whatever the lectures he or she has attended, or he has submitted those assignments, then we have to evaluate those assignments. So it is like a classroom classroom teaching process, but it is in the way with the help of ICT, or we can say with the help of online we are doing this. It will going to facilitate a global access and the collaboration. So we can do the collaboration with the multiple institutions. So their data we can use, or our content we can provide them, so they can use our content. So it is one type of collaboration can be done with the help of this online platforms. Then again, it will going to support the scalability and cost effective education delivery. So like today you are attending this refresher coursework from your home, so there is no need to come to the Malviya Research Center or the university to attend this refresher coursework. You can attend from your home, so it is a cost effective to you. No need to come. So if you come there, then the stay process will be there, then your food, everything will be there. So that can be reduced with the help of this ICT or this online technology. Then it will enable the flexible, self-paced, and the blended learning models. So sometimes if I just want to only learn the thing, I don't want to give its examination, or I don't want to solve anything, or even I also don't need a certificate. Only I want to learn the things. So that can be done. The lectures are available. If you want, you can check those lectures. If you learn something, you can take it. and you can leave that lecture. So it is like a selfless. So there is no requirement to give the examination, and there will be no certification. It is your choice or it is your interest. So as per the interest, you can learn this. Again, it have a hybrid model. You can sometimes some courses will be there. They're having hands-on as well as theory sessions will be there. So it is a flexible. Then it will going to integrate the national digital education framework like Swayam and our ABC, that is, can say our academic bank credit, that can be done with the help of this MOOC courses. So these are the important or the effective points that can be say to the MOOCs as a major component of a ICT. The MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Courses. So massive in the sense the thousands of learners can enroll the simultaneously. So like in the classroom, we have limitations. We have a classroom, what you can say, we have a classroom capacity like 60 students, 40 students. So as per that, we can only allow the students and we can give them a lecture. But when we go with this MOOCs, it is allow the thousands of learners can enroll simultaneously. So there is no requirement for the classroom. So if there is there will be a requirement, they are going to am I audible, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible, sir.
No, someone is raised the hand. Someone is raised the hand. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, sir. Yes.
No,
Okay. So the thousands of learners can enroll simultaneously. So if there is one course, for that course 1000 students wants to learn that course, so they can enroll. Then it is open, no entry barriers, accessible to all. So like in our colleges we have intake capacity 60 students or one division, two division. So there is no capacity, so there will be no entry barriers. Anyone can enroll to this course, and whatever the contents will be there, it will be accessible to them. It is online, so it is internet based learning. So the first very important requirement is internet, and you should have a device like mobile phone or the laptop or computer system. Then the courses are available on MOOC platforms like our academics. The course structure and the syllabus, if you check, it will be similar to our academics. Assessment and certification will be there, like in our classroom teaching. We give the assignment, we check it, take the class test, CI examination, then we go for the end semester examination. Same things will be with this MOOC. They are going to assess you. They are going to provide you the certificate. Before starting the course, they are going to provide you the syllabus. And with the help of that syllabus, you can check it and you can enroll as per your convenience. So this is actually your MOOC. When we talk about this evaluation, so the government started start working on it in the 2008. It said a first MOOCs. It is a connectivity learning. So it was a starting project. So they said it is a connectivist project. So it said a C MOOCs. Now in the 2012, the global MOOC movement was there, like Coursera, EDX, Udemy, these types of websites and these types of institutions open their courses, and after giving the examination, completion of the course, giving the examination, they are going to provide the certificate, and those certificates we can add it in our resume. So it will be addition or additional course or additional information we have, so that we can add in our resume. So the global MOOC movement was there. So currently also we know the Simply Learn, Coursera, IDX, Udemy. Again, the IIT is also started there. Some MIT also started this type of certification. So that was a global MOOC movement. Then in 2016 onwards, our government supported the MOOCs in India. So the government started this MOOCs in our India, and post 220, like our COVID, in the post 220, the MOOCs integrated under NEP 2020. So the our new education policy 2020, they have make amendment in it, and they clearly state the 20% of your courses should be done with the this Swayam or the MOOC platform. So that can be done in our NEP 2020. So after this NEP 2020, new education policy is there. So from that, the colleges and the institutions are amended in their policies, and they started with the some elective or the core courses from the Swayam platform. So the MOOCs involved from experimental online learning to formal academic components. So you can see previously it was started, but the government is said it is as per the NEP you have to complete this. So now it is our main of the academic components. So without this MOOC courses or this Swayam or NPTEL, we cannot complete our academics. So this is regarding the evaluation of MOOC. Now the global platforms that we just discussed. So the global platforms will be this Coursera, edX, Udemy, and the FutureLearn. Now the MOOCs in Indian higher education, the government initiates for the digital educations, MOOCs aligned with our UGC, then AICTE and NEP 2020. So this NEP policy, AICTE and UGC, these MOOCs are aligned with this three things that comes under this UGC, AICTE and NEP. So after that, the Swayam, it is UGC and AICTE recognized now. Now in that we have NPTEL, so that can be started with this IITs and IISs, that is for the engineering and sciences courses. Then the third platform that we have like Diksha, that is for the teacher education, and the Swayam Prabha we already know, it is our DTH channels. So on that we can see the professors from the IIT, from the various subject or various experts. They are giving the lectures on this Swayam Prabha, as well as the NPTEL. We found the courses from the engineering and sciences. So this MOOC helps to bridge the quality and access the gaps in higher education. So how it will going to fill these gaps in higher education? Actually, in our institutions, the professors, they are having, so they are deliver their lectures. So we cannot, I cannot say directly that they are not experts on their domain, but when we compare with this IIT and IISS professors, they are having a 25, 30 years of experience on the same research domain. So they are having expertise in their courses. So if we learn the same course from them, so we will get new things or new ideas from that. So for the higher education, specifically for the MCA or the master's courses, so for them, the courses are available on the NPTEL. So if you check those courses, you will find the gap, how their professors, how their way of teaching and learning from this IITs, and what we are doing in our classrooms as per our reference books. So that gap you can easily find out with the expatriate knowledge. So it is not a compulsory that all the courses should be done with the MOOCs, but as per the NEP 2020, they said 20 to 40% courses should be done from this NEP 2020. That we will cover in the last slides, how we are going to check this, which course we have to take it from the NPTEL or the Swayam, that we will see. So the diagram you can see, the MOOC platforms like student learners, then the students learner, then faculty, instructor, industry professionals, partners institute, community, public. So all the sectors or the all domain persons are available in this MOOC platforms. So as per their expertise and the domain, the government ask them to deliver the lecture, their recorded lectures are available there NPTEL, and it is freely available. So we can check those lectures as per our interest, as per our need, and if we want to go for the examination, then there will be an option that if you feel that you want to give the examination for this course, then you have to fill the examination form and you can go for it. The global platforms that we just discussed, the Coursera, edX, Udemy, FutureLearn, and many more global platforms are available. From here also, the courses are available. The foreign instructors or the foreign teachers are there. They recorded their lecture and put it on this platforms. So if we complete that lecture and if we complete the certifications, we will get the idea from it, and also that certificate will be beneficial for us, that we can add it in our resume or in our profile. This all SWAYAM as well as this global platforms, the credit transfer, certification, and university adaptation. In our India, we use this SWAYAM and AICT courses for credit transfer system, and for the foreign side, they use this global platforms. If the students are completed certification from these global platforms, they consider it and they can give the credit to them as per the course and the certification. Now, the important thing is MOOCs in curricular design. How this MOOCs we can adopt in our curriculum. So the MOOCs as a core courses, open elective, and skill enhancement courses. So as per our course structure, that whatever our BOS is designed, in that you can see we have some major courses or the core courses. Again, we have open elective courses and we have a skill enhancement courses. So the main thing is that from this open elective courses should be done from the SWAYAM, that NEP said these things. So our organization, if our college is affiliated to the university, then we have to take the approval from the university and we have to decide a courses, 1 to 3 courses. We have to decide that these courses we are going to ask the student to complete from the SWAYAM. So the students will going to complete these courses from the SWAYAM. They are going to submit that completion certificate to the college or the university, and then the college or the university will transfer their that subject credit, and then it will be considered as that course examination is given by the students, and he is passed whatever the grade he got on that certificate, that we are going to give them. So this is not a mandatory that only open elective courses you have to take. As per the requirement, you can go for the skill enhancement, you can go for the core courses also. If you thought that this course should be done from the SWAYAM or the NPTEL, because this course contents are good on NPTEL and student will get the student will be benefited from it, then you can tell them and you can complete it. Then the second thing is that mapping MOOC with course outcome and the program outcome. See, whenever we are selecting the course from the NPTEL, so there the course outcomes are available as well as the program outcome is also available. So whenever we are mapping this, we are doing the COPO mapping in our academics at the course started or at the time of ending this course. So whatever the mapping we are doing, that mapping can be done through the online courses also, because when we are choosing the course credits are available there. So we can match that credit with our subjects that we have in our course structure, and with the help of this COPO mapping, we can fit it there and we can choose that course. And the third thing is that the blended learning model, that is classroom plus MOOCs as well as a SWAYAM open elective. So this blended learning, as previously we have discussed, it is if the students are interested, it is not in the course structure, but the students are interested, so they can go for that course, they can complete this. If they are interested, they can go for the examination, and if they got the certificate, so that certificate will be useful in our college or in our universities, because whenever the student is going to enroll that course, he will be enrolled with the local chapter, and that local chapter can be or local chapter will be our college. We have asked the SWAYAM to start our local chapter, and whatever the registration will be gone from our colleges, so that should be gone with their local chapter. So all the certificates student will getting, so that will be attached to your college profile, so that we can use it for our NAC purpose, or the various bodies are there, they are going to assess you, so there we can use it. So the AI in MOOCs, when we talk about the MOOCs in AI, so the content delivery, learner support, assessment, analytics, that comes when we integrate this AI with this MOOC. Now, when we talk about the ICT infrastructure, so when we use MOOC as an ICT infrastructure, so it will going to target it as a revolutionary government through the technology. Like MOOCs function as a complete ICT ecosystem, not just the courses, because here we are going to get the digital content. It will be delivered by the online, then technology enable assessment as well as learning analytics. So when we see when we are going for the hands-on on this NPTEL, that time I will show you how the contents are available there, how they are going to assess it, and how they give the grades to the students after completion of this course. That we will see when we started our hands-on session after the break. When we talk about this MOOCs learning, so this Swayam uses this AI technologies to assess students, and then how the learning can be enhanced. That can be done with this AI. Now, the components like ICT components, and the MOOCs have the components like video lecture by the expert faculties, then the digital reading materials like PPTs, ebooks, transcripts, and the discussion forums are there. So, like in our classroom, if the students have the problem after lecture, at time of lecture, they raise their hand, they're asking the questions, we are giving them a solution in the classroom itself, or they came to the staff room, then there we discuss them. But in the online, how we can ask the questions to the faculties, those who are delivering the lecture. So there the discussion forum is one of the concept. Suppose I am the faculty and my lectures are recorded on the NPTEL, and that can be delivered to the students. Some colleges are choose my course and the students are learning from them. If the students have the problem on my courses or in any topic, so on as per the Swayam, and every Friday or Saturday they having a 2 hours discussion forum session. So in that the student will join that session and they can ask their question. So not in on the daily basis, but in the week at the weekend they are going to join that link and they are going to ask the questions. So whatever the problem they have in the complete week while attending this lecture, they can ask in the discussion forums. The content is standardized, high quality, and reusable. So when we talk about the contents, those are available on a Swayam. So those are the standardized content because the IITians or IIT's professors are verified with, and it will be published there. Then high quality, whatever the contents are there, the quality will be high there. Like whatever the textbooks we are using, so it is like a textbooks type contents are there. It will be a reusable because the same course can be they can start the same course in the next year again and the next semester also. So they put at their content as reusable. So if they found that there will be any updations, they can do those updations and they can again republish it. So reusable. So the content, platform, and the learner. So this is the system that is available with the MOOCs. The delivery component that we say it is internet-based learning. We can access those contents with the help of the devices like mobile, laptop, tablet, desktop. So we should have two things. First of all, internet, and second thing, the device from which we can access the courses. So these things should be there. Then the self-paced and instructor-paced model also. So if you don't need to go for the examination and the certification, only you want to learn, so that can be done with this self-paced and the instructor-paced model. Delivery supports, it is anytime learning, anywhere learning. So in our classroom, we have a fixed time, 1 to 2 o'clock. There will be a lecture. Students should come, then they have to attend. But if you don't have the time in the complete day or in that complete week, whenever you got the time, that 1 week lectures you can complete within that complete 1 week. 1 week, and the assignments are there. You can complete those assignments. So it is anytime learning. You can open, you can log in, you can learn anywhere. If you are in the traveling, if you got the time, while if you are working person, if you get the time there, then you can log in and you can learn the things. So it is anytime learning and anywhere learning. So that can be provided with the help of this MOOCs. Now the assessment component, how the MOOCs will going to assess you when you are attending the completing the lectures, submitting the assignments, and you are going for the examination. Then how the MOOCs will going to assess you. The weekly assignments will be there. Suppose the course is started from Monday. So Monday to Friday, there will be lectures are available. You have to complete that 1 week lectures. And on the Friday, the assignments will become, and that assignments you have to submit whatever deadline will be given to you. Within that deadline, you are going to submit that assignment. If you fail to submit within a deadline, you are going to lose that assignment mark. So the whatever the CI internal assessment or the internal test we are going to take, the same things will be done with this NPTEL. So they are going to give you weekly assignment and you have to complete those assignments within that week. Then quizzes and exams. Sometimes they give the quiz and short examination will be there. 5 MCQs, 10 MCQs examination can be given. Then proctored certification exam. If you are interested to for the certification, then you have to pay the fees. Usually when we talk about NPTEL, the open category student has to pay the 1000 rupees fees for one course. And if the student is from belongs to the category like SC or ST category, he has to pay for 500 rupees. And the same course, if the faculty also wants to do the certification on that course, so he has the chance. If the course is available as a FDP, he can complete that course as a FDP by paying extra 100 rupees. So he has to pay 1100 rupees, 100 rupees for the FDP and 1000 rupees for the course. And automated evaluation system. So whatever the assignments you are going to submit, so there will be a automated verification system. They are going to verify your assignments, whatever you have submitted, and as per your submission, the system will going to give you the marks. The assessment ensures that the learner accountability as well as the academic creditability. This is very, very important. When we talk about academic creditability, means if I have completed the lecture or I have completed that course, that course credit will going to be put it in my ABC, that is academic bank credit account. So that credit I can use for my further process. So that can be there. Learner accountability. So today, suppose I have attended 2 lectures. So that lectures will be saved there. In the next day, I don't have to complete just 2 lectures. It will directly show you have completed the 2 lectures. Now today you started with the lecture 3. Participants, please mute your mic. Then the role of MOOCs in the lifelong learning, how the MOOCs can be useful for the lifelong learning. The first one, it will be for the continuous skill upgradation. Suppose I am from the computer science background, but I am interested in suppose mechanical engineering. So I can complete the mechanical engineering courses from the MOOCs. So it will be my skill upgradation. If I am interested, I can complete it, and if it is useful for me, I can choose it for my career, or as a working profession, I can go for it. Learning beyond the formal degrees. So BS graduation, post graduation, PhD, whatever degrees we are completing. So it is learning beyond the formal degree. So the formal degrees, in the sense, we completed our degrees as per our curriculum, whatever the syllabuses are there, we completed and we got the degree. But the SWAYAM is not like that. There is multiple courses are available to you. You can directly go for that courses and you can complete it. So it is useful for the professional development and for your professional growth. It is industry relevant and the skill acquisition. So sometimes you can found the courses that will be related to the industry or the skill acquisition. So as per your convenience, it is anywhere or anytime learning. As per your convenience, you can complete it. And if you are interested, you can go for the examination. You can earn the certificate, and you can put it in your professional profile or in your resume. So it will be beneficial to you. So finally, the MOOCs support learning throughout life, not just during our college years. So after degree also, you can complete the courses on this MOOCs. When we talk about our teaching learning process, so when we see our syllabuses and our BOS and all COPO, whatever will be there, we have a stakeholders. Stakeholders means in that the student, faculty, industry person, institutions, or the government makers, all these things comes under this stakeholder. So when we talk about a MOOCs for different stakeholders, so the students, it will be useful for the credit transfer and the skill enhancement. So the students can done complete the course from the SWAYAM, and he can inform to the institution that I have completed this course from the SWAYAM, and you have to transfer my credit. So the institution will going to transfer this credit. So the credit transformation will be there for the student, and the skill enhancement. Student will learn something from the MOOC platform. So he will be enhances skill. Then how this will be useful for the faculty. Faculties will going to complete the FDPs, refresher courses, and upskilling. So as previously I told you, the courses are available on the MOOCs. Some courses are available as a FDP also. So if the faculty is going to enroll to this course, he complete the lectures, all the assignments, and he go for paid the fees and he go for the examination, he will get the two certificates, as the FDP certificate and as the course completion certificate also. So the FDP certificate will be useful to them for their suppose they are working with the private colleges, so for the JDs it will be useful, and for the CAS and other purposes for the their API score, for that also this FDP will be useful. The refresher courses are available by ICT. Then upskilling also can be done with this MOOCs. Then the researchers, if I say researchers, I will be go with the many domains or with many things. So it is not possible to take all the things in a one place. So I can use this MOOCs or the Swayam platform. There, as per my research or as per my topic, I can go there and I can get the data from these platforms. So the research methods, tools training, or the new tools, if you need in your research and you don't have the knowledge about that tool, so the same related courses you have to find on the Swayam, and you can complete that course. So as per your interest, as per your objective, as per your requirement, you can check that their courses and you can learn from this, and those knowledge you can use it in your research. Then the institutions, blended learning and quality improvement. So the students are completing the courses from the MOOC platforms. So automatically we can say other than the syllabus or other than their academics, if the new courses are they are completing from the MOOCs and they are successfully completed the courses there, so it will be added thing to the institutions or the colleges, and it will going to improve their quality. Now the next thing, MOOCs, any MOOCs and New Education Policy 2020 vision. It will going to promote the flexibility and the learner choice. So previously, whatever the things are available in the curriculum or the course structure, student has we have to teach them and they have to complete it. But due to this NEP, the open elective will be given to the students. You have to choose the course from the Swayam and you have to complete it. So it is the flexibility to the learners. It will be choice to them, and they are taking the benefit of it, and they are going to new things, learning the new things from the MOOC platform. Then support blended and online learning. So the online learning will be there. So as per their convenient, if they get the time at home, we can also complete these lectures at home. They are complete this assignment at home. Then encourages credit mobility. So the credit mobility will be there. If the students are completed the course, their credit will going to be transferred. So due to this reason, students are attending, completing the MOOC course, MOOC lectures. They are submitting the assignments, and they know whatever the certificate they are getting, there they will get the grade, A plus grade. Then there will be certification type silver, elite, that we will discuss. So as per their performance, they are going to get the grades. So due to this also students are taking the benefit from it and they are completing it. Then aligned with academic bank credits, so the credit will be transferred to them on their ABC ID. So this credit will be useful to them for when they go for their higher degrees. So as finally we can say MOOCs are a key ICT pillar in NEP 2020 for the implementation. So this diagram you can see the NEP 2020 goals, that the universal access quality education, universal access to the quality education, then the multidisciplinary and holistic education. So the student will go with the multidisciplinary courses, not only the computer science. They can go with as per their choice. They can learn the things from the another domain also. It can be useful for the skill development and the employability. Then it will be fill the gap between the other domains and our specific domain. So this is regarding MOOC. What is the vision of this NEP with this MOOC? The MOOCs are not just online courses. They are complete ICT enabled learning system that will enable to quality access, flexibility, and the scalability. It is strongly aligned with the NEP 2020 and lifelong learning. So that new education policy, in that we have the government already said the Swayam should be there and students should complete the courses from it. So it is a mandatory part. The MOOC is a mandatory part. The students, those are comes under this NEP 2020. Now, what are the benefits that we are going to get with this MOOCs? So it will going to access to the quality education. Then flexibility and scalability. Students are flexible. Uh, with the help of their choices, they can choose the courses and they can complete it. It is cost-effective ICT tool. Cost-effective in the sense at home also or from anywhere they can complete it. No need to go to the classroom or the college to complete the course that they want to complete it. Then faculty upskilling is very important. Uh, I found on the NPTEL websites, the many faculties are completing the courses from the NPTEL. Not only one course in throughout the semester, they are completing. Means throughout one academic year, they are completing three to four courses as per their convenient, and the skill they get upskilling on their domain, and this will be beneficial to the student because they will be able to deliver the things that they are learn from the NPTEL, and it will be beneficial to the students. So the faculty upskilling will be there as well as it will be beneficial to the student. Now, when we talk about challenges, what are the challenges we are going to get in the MOOCs? Challenges will be a low completion rates. The low completion rate, it is not a actual main challenge, but it can be overcome. Overcome means there will be a system in a NPTEL like mentor-mentee system. So if the 20 students are going to complete the course, so if they enroll and they are completing or not, that we don't know. But the NPTEL is providing one system, that is mentor-mentee system. So you are going to be a mentor for those 20 students, and whatever they are doing, their all the things related to the course will be uh, visible to you on the on your login. So on the basis of this tracking system, the teacher can the mentor can encourage to the student to complete the course. After completion of this only, you are going to get the credit transfer benefit, credit transfer facility, or after completion this you will get the certificate. We have to motivate to the students so that low completion rates can be overcome with the help of this. Then the digital divide. This is a problem actually. Sometimes um, if I want to complete the course, then I have a problem with the internet. I have problem with the devices. So that is one of the major problem. That is digital divide. That can be solved with the institutions if they have proper infrastructure. So they can allow the students to sit in the classroom, in the laboratory, and complete the course in the college itself. That we can ask them to the students if we provide them an infrastructure. Third thing, assessment integrity. Assessment integrity, in the assessment integrity, the whatever the assignment students are going to submit, so there will be a deadline within a 1 week. You have to submit the assignments, otherwise you are not going to get these marks. So the assessment integrity should be there. So the whoever mentor will be there, the mentor should ask the students before completion the week that you have to complete the course, or you have to submit the assignments, otherwise you are not going to get this marks, or you have to motivate the student. So that can be done there. And faculty resistance. Um, this is one of the problems in the implementing this MOOCs. Now, this is up to what do you mean by ICT? How the MOOC can be useful? How the MOOC can be useful as ICT tool or effective tool? Now, the next thing is that how we are going to integrate this AI with the MOOC for our education and the research. So, when we talk about AI, nowadays AI is everywhere. We already know with the help of AI, whatever the things we are doing manually previously, currently we can do many things with the help of this AI. So, as AI is the machine mimicking human intelligence. So, how human is going to think, how he is completing the work, how he started the work. So the same things can be copied into this machine, and machine should be act or work like a human being. So that is a simple definition we can say regarding the AI. In that we use some technologies. So currently, or the main technologies that we can use as a machine learning. So in that we have to we have to train the uh, students, or we have to train the people. Same things, we have to train the machine with the help of uh, this AI technologies. So that can be done with the machine learning. Second, NLP. NLP stands for natural language processing. This is a very, very important domain nowadays. So with the help of this NLP, we are talking with English currently. So if someone don't want to speak in English, or he not able to understand the English, so for that we can use Marathi or Hindi language. So that Marathi Hindi language should be understood by the system or the machine. So how we can do this? We can do with the help of this NLP. That said, the person is in which language, whatever language will be there, person is going to speak, that should be understood to the system or the machine. So that can be done with the help of NLP. Again, there will be a problem with the person who is not able to talk properly, like stuttered people there, they are not able to talk properly, or if they talk, their words or their pronunciation is not able to understand for us. So if those types of people are there and they want to work with the system, so how they are going to do this? So for them, this NLP domain is there, so they can work with there. Then third thing is that learning analytics. So uh, we have to analyze while we are just giving the data to the system, how it will going to act it, how it will going to work on it. So that should be analyzed, or that should be analyzed, or the results, whatever results we got, it should be a uh, as per our objective, the result should be came. So that analytics should be done there, so that we can say a learning analytics. Now, the recommender system. The recommender system we already know. If you go with the online platforms, shopping platforms like Amazon or Flipkart, suppose if you are searching on mobile phone, so directly you will get a mobile cover also. Same mobile phone cover is available there. So the system is going to recommend you, if you are going to purchase this mobile, and maybe you need this mobile cover. Again, after that, you will found some headphones. Again, you will found power bank. Again, you will found charger if it is not came with this mobile phone. So this recommender system will be there. So with the help of this machine learning and AI, like reinforcement learning or supervised and supervised learning, with the help of this, we can develop this recommender system, and that can be useful. The recommender system is mostly useful in the malls or supermarkets, where you will find if uh, we are suppose going with the uh, we are going with suppose a grocery shop. So there you will find the groceries are arranged as like in our kitchen. So the people is not going to forget, he will directly see, and he will directly act that yes, I need this, I need this. So the recommender system is actually, the recommender system will work there, and as per that, the products and the things are arranged there. So this is a technologies that can be useful in the AI. So we complete say it is AI and machine learning, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, why we have to integrate this AI with the MOOCs to personalize the learning? So currently, we have to attend the lecture, progress will be there. Then we get the assignments, we have to complete those assignments, and then we go for the next week lecture. So if I want to personalize my learning, so that can be done with the AI. Then to support learning intelligently. So if I told you, if I have a doubt in the current lecture, so for that I have to note it down, and at the end of the week I have to ask in the forum. But can that can be done at that point, that I have problem here, or that can be solved there directly, not the person only, but the system can solve that problem, or system can answer it, what it is, or what is the question will be there, it can be tackled by the system intelligently. So with the help of this AI we can do this. Then to analyze learning behavior, if I am suppose selected one course, and only 1 week or one lecture I have attended, and again I close that course, and again I open the next course. So as per my behavior, so the system should analyze that what actually a person wants. Like our OTT platform, if we want to watch suppose horror movie, if we search one horror movie, the OTT platform will show you all the horror movies, or it will going to recommend you these are the horror movies, maybe you like this, maybe you like this. So same things should be done with the MOOC courses also, to improve the completion and outcomes. So sometimes students are enrolled to the course, but they are not going to complete it. They only just complete 1 week, 2 week course and just left it. So how we are going to improve this completion and how we are going to get the outcome for it? So for that purpose, we can use this AI. So how this AI will be useful for the MOOCs, and how after integration of this AI, the MOOCs will the courses that currently we are completing from the NPTEL or the SWAYAM, so that can be add on with this AI. Now, MOOC plus AI, it is a conceptual framework. MOOCs provide the content platform. AI going to enhance the delivery, support, and assessment. The learner data drives AI decision. That I just said, with the help of recommendation system, the OTT platform will do. Same things can MOOC will be do, like learner data drives AI decisions. As per the user choice, it will give the decision, it will take the decisions, it will show the recommendations. So that can be done. Now, the AI can be integrated in content delivery. It can be integrated with the learner support. Can be integrated for the assessment and feedback, and it can be integrated with the analytics and monitoring. So content delivery is there. So whatever contents are there, so that can be again enhanced with the help of AI. Learner support. So if I need any support, so I can ask there and directly get the support. So that can be done. Like in the websites, you will found chatbot is there. So if we have any question, we can directly just type it and we can get the output directly there. Then assessment and the feedback. So whatever assignments we have completed, on the basis of our assignments, we are going to get the mark. So that can be improved with the help of AI. That can be checked. Then analytics and monitoring. So analyze the things, whatever we have submitted there, and the AI should monitor us how our behavior will be there. We are just checking that lecture, or just we are forwarding and completing it. So these things should be checked there with the help of this analytics and monitoring system. Now we go with this personalized learning path. The AI tracks the learner's performance. Then it will going to suggest the customized learning paths. Again, it will going to adapt the pace and difficulty level. So if the student is not able to complete the course, so it should be reduce its level from higher to medium to lower. So the student will going to take the interest to complete it. Then suggest the customized learning path. So it should be asked some questions to the student, and as per that questions, he should suggest those courses to them. Then AI tracks learner performance, how the student is performing. On the basis of that, it should be tracked. Now, AI-based recommendation system, it can be recommended videos, reading, and additional MOOCs. So, just I gave the example on the suppose Amazon. It will at a time of buying the product, it will ask them, you want this, you want this, maybe as additional you need this. So, same things should be proposed by this MOOC, the additional MOOCs. So it should be recommended or the propose that maybe you like this in that way. Then readings, and then the videos. The videos are already available there. So if the students need some extra support, so on the basis of that, the videos will be generated there with the help of AI. So based on learner interest and the progress, the AI should be worked there on MOOCs. The second thing is intelligent tutorial system. In that, the AI acts as a virtual tutor. So if he work as a virtual tutor, then there will be interest for solving this or completing these tutorials. Explain difficult concept. If student found any difficulty there, so AI should be came there. So in the simple language or in other language, it will going to explain. Provide instant doubt clarification that we discussed. So at the end of the week, instead of end of the week, at the time when the student will get the doubt, it should be clarified through the AI, or can be clarified with the help of AI. Chatbots in the MOOC, that is 24 by 7 learner support. So the chatbots are there, they are available. If the small problem we got, then we can put it on the message there, and we can chat with there, and we can try to solve our problem. That can be done. The handles FAQs, the questions, the normal questions or the recommended questions students will be have, the FAQs should be there. Course navigation, they will be able to navigate to the course. And assignment deadlines, so the assignment deadlines, sometimes we found in our colleges, students are not checking their emails or their groups. They are not aware about the assignment deadline. So how we are going to use this AI to remind to the student that there will be a deadline and you have to submit the assignment. So if they are able to submit the assignment within a time, so they are not going to lose their internal marks, and they will get a good grade in a certification. Next term, that is AI driven assessment and feedback. So in that, automated quiz and the grading should be there. Then instant feedback, that is very, very important. And performance diagnostics. So currently the performance can be checked with the help of student certification or the student grade. He is able to complete the course successful or not, or whatever grade he will get. On the basis of that, the performance will be checked. So instead of checking the performance through the certificate, can we check its the student performance while he is learning or she is learning? So that can be done with the help of this AI driven assessment and feedback system. Now, the learning analytics dashboards. So it should be tracks the engagement. It should be check their progress, and it will be check the dropout risk. Dropout risk is very, very important. So the system should be there. It will be check if the students are going to leave the course, how we can reback it, or how we can solve his problem. Then how we can improve his progress, and then engagement, how he or she will be engaged with this course only. That can be done. It will going to help the instructors to intervene the early. So with the help of this AI, we can do these things. Then MOOCs for research skill development. So as our theme of this refresher coursework, how we can use this AI for the research and the education. So how we are going to use this MOOCs for research and our skill development. Students, those who are, for the faculty members or the students, those who are currently enrolled for the PhD. So how they are going to use this MOOC for their research. So in the research methodology, the MOOCs can be useful. Data analysis MOOC and academic writing MOOC. So writing research paper, writing our thesis. Then if we want to analyze our data, like SPSS and the Excel sheet or the R tool, how we are going to use it. So those type of courses are available on the NPTEL. We can complete, or we can check those courses, and we will get the idea from there, and we can use it, same idea, for our research purpose. The research methodology, courses are available. Research methodology, those who are new or starting from the students are interested to work with the research, so we can encourage them, we can motivate them, so they will be able to check those courses, research methodology courses, and work on the research papers. So that can be done. The AI assisted literature review. Literature review that we do as a manually, we can go with the research paper, then we search um, the research papers with the current year, last 5 year, last 10 year, specific domain. So how we can do the literature review with the help of AI. So AI summarize research paper. So nowadays, Previously, what we do actually, we check the research paper, we found the objectives from it, we found the lacunas, we found their conclusion, we found from the references thing. But currently, with the help of AI, we can only give the research paper to the AI and we can directly ask AI summarize research paper. We can directly say summarize this research paper, and within a minute, the AI will going to give us a summarized paragraph, and just reading that summarized paragraph, not complete 100%, but somehow we will be able to know that what it is in research paper. It is related to my work, or it will be beneficial for my research work or not. That we can directly get it. But previously, the research paper we have to download, we have to take the printout, and we have to read it line by line. But through this AI, it will be easy for us, or the research will be easy to go for this literature review work, then extract the keywords and the themes. Paper is related to my research work or not, how I am able to know with the help of keywords and its theme. So that can be extract with the help of AI. It will going to identify the research gap also. If you give the proper prompt to the AI, it will be able to give you, or it will be going to show you the research gap in between the research gap in the research paper. The AI tools integrated with MOOCs, the AI tool used alongside MOOCs like ChatGPT that we know that we use currently. Then the Grammarly that we use at the time of report writing. Then the size space is there. Again, these are some examples, but there are many AI tools are available. As per your requirement, you will find a new AI tool currently, like a Gemini AI will be there. From the Gemini AI, if you have a concept with you, only your concept you have to give to the Gemini AI, and then it will going to produce a complete graph or complete image. So that the use of current AI that we can use in our research, it supports the understanding of research content. So previously, whatever the things we are doing manually, now with the help of this AI, we can use this various tools for our research purpose. So we can do it efficiently and within a timeline. AI for research data analysis learning. So when your research work is related to the data analysis, so for that we talk about previously time we talk about the AI machine learning. So how this machine learning based analysis will be there, how you are going to train the model, how you are going to divide your data for testing and training purpose. So that can be done with the help of this AI and machine learning. Again, the predictive model, how you are going to create a prediction model, how you are going to predict the data or the results from your data set. Then the pattern recognition, the students, those who are working with image processing or pattern recognition, they aware about this, how we are going to recognize the pattern, how we are going to work with the biomedical image processing, how we are going to find the disease from our biomedical images, or how we are going to able to know the person is having a cancer or not. This type of research is available in this with the help of this machine learning and AI. So finally, the AI enhances the hands-on on research learning. So with the help of this practical work, or with the help of this AI machine learning tools and these models, we can do the practicals on our data sets, and we will be set, or we can say whatever the results we have, it is reliable. Now the AI for academic writing support, how the AI will be used for academic writing support. It will going to improve the clarity and the grammar. It will going to suggest the structure and the citations. Again, it will going to enhance the research productivity. So while you are working with a research paper or your report writing, so for that you can use this AI. Now benefits when we use this AI to integrate with our MOOC, so it will going to improve the learning outcomes. Then it will going to produce the dropout rates. Again, it will going to scalable quality education, and it will going to faster research skill acquisition. So if you know the tools, those are available in AI, the chat GPT, one of them. Then again, if you, as per your requirement, suppose if you want to draw a complete graph, so how I am able to draw the graph? The graph can be drawn with the help of, suppose Gemini AI or Gemini Banana. There is one tool that we can use. Then if I want to go with the citations, how I can check the citations, how I can uh, add a citations, miss the references in my paper. So that can be done with the AI. So that you should know. So just with the help of this AI, how this AI we can integrate with our research work. So it will be easy for the whatever the results we will get, it will be efficient, and within a time we can complete our work. So if we know the how we are going to how the proper use of AI. Now, the impact, benefit, and policy alignment. So when we talk about the impact of this MOOCs and how the what are the benefits and the policies aligned with this MOOCs in our NEP 2020. So it will going to promote a flexible learning. It will give the digital education. Then third, lifelong learning. Lifelong learning means that learn anywhere, anytime. So there will be no barriers to enroll to this course. At any age, you can enroll and you can complete the course. Supports academic bank of credit. So whatever the courses you are completed, so it will not be a lose. So whatever the credit you are going to earn from those courses, that will be deposited in your ABC account. So in future, when you go with a degree or another, when you go with another courses or the degree, so those credit will be useful there to complete their complete the credit structure there. Whatever credit structure will be there, that will be matched with this credit and it will be useful there. So when we align this MOOCs with our NEP 2020 policy, so it will be a flexible, it will allow us to flexible learning. It will provide digital education. It is a lifelong learning and it supports a bank of credit. These are very, very important points with the help of the impact and the benefit of this MOOCs. Then what are the role of faculty in AI MOOC ecosystem? The faculty will be a facilitator or the mentor. It will be a curriculum integrator. It will be an ethical AI guide, or it will be a learning analyst. So the first thing, facilitator and mentor, that we will see at the time of hands-on, how the faculty or the teacher will going to be a mentor to the students and how he will be benefited from it and how the student will going to benefited from him. So that we will see. Then curriculum integrator. In the curriculum, there any MOOCs is added. So from the curriculum, they have to choose MOOC, open elective or the core subjects as per the policy, and they can ask the student to enroll to this course and complete the certification. Then ethical AI guide and learning analyst, because if the students are given to you, you have to track them, you have to check their learning, how they are completing the course. That things will be there that you have to check. Now, challenges and ethical issues are came. The first one will be the data privacy, because data privacy means whenever we are going to enroll to the course, so at the time of examination form, we have to provide some data to them like our Aadhaar card, photo, signature, these things we have to provide. So data privacy concern will be there, but it is a government initiative, so we don't worry about it. Then algorithmic bias, then over dependence on AI, and academic integrity. So things are there. There will be benefit, and there will be some ethical issues and the challenges uh, for this MOOCs, implementation of this MOOC. Then the best practices for institutions. What are the best practices the institutions and college can be done? Train faculty in AI tools. Then blend MOOCs with the classroom teaching. Then monitor AI uses ethically and encourage researcher-driven MOOCs. So the faculty has to be trained first, and then he will be able to handle this MOOC courses with a student. Uh, Whatever we have learned from it, the key points from this MOOCs with AI, it is a smart ICT ecosystem, we can say, because the MOOCs was there, it's one of the ICT tool, and if we integrate with the AI, it is complete ecosystem. So AI will help to improve the students for their learning, for their recommendations, and engaging them to complete the course. So if the AI we integrated, so it can be a complete smart ICT ecosystem. it enhances education quality and research skill because uh, the courses that we learn into the classroom, that is limited, or the books that we check, that is also reading, we have to read it, it is the content only. But the courses if available directly online, and if we are interested, or the students are interested to work on another project, or they have idea with them, so they can map that idea with this courses are available on Swayam or NPTEL, or they can complete that course. Not only complete it, also they will get the certification from that course if they go for the examination. So automatically just checking and just completing these courses, it will be enhance their education quality, and research skill is very very important, it can be built. Then it will be essential for NEP 2020 implementation, because as per the NEP new education policy, there is a recommendation that the 40% MOOCs should be involved in your curriculum. Now, fourth one, future ready higher education. That is very, very important. If they are interested in some course, suppose, so they can go for the same domain for the higher education. So these are the main points that can be that we can discuss when we are going to integrate with this AI. Now, the things that we discussed, what do you mean by MOOC, ICT, how when we integrate with this AI with the MOOC, then what are the benefits we will get? Now, if the college wants to implement these courses, or college want to implement this NEP 2020, or in that they want to use this MOOCs. So how they are going to implement this? So how can we take courses from NPTEL as per NEP 2020 policy? So if they want to take the courses from this, first of all, policy basis NEP 2020 and MOOCs ICT, it is encourage use of MOOC and digital learning platform like Swayam and NPTEL as a legitimate components of higher education and credit transfer. These initiatives are part of a transforming teacher learning through ICT tools under NEP. So, and that will say the teaching is not only a chalk and board teaching, it should be implemented with the ICT. So it is a major part that if we go with the Swayam and NPTR, so it is one major pillar that we can attach to this, and we can say we are using effective ICT tools in our academics. So key highlight from the NEP aligned policy, NPTEL and SWAYAM are recognized as open online resources and can be included in academic programs. In students must register for the MOOCs through the SWAYAM and share details with their home institution to facilitate the credit transfer. When we understanding with this NPTEL and recognition, the NPTEL is the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. It is an MHRD GOI initiative by IITs and IISs offering high quality online courses. Although the certificates are issued after passing proctoral exams, the courses are also hosted on Swayam platform to enable credit transfer in Indian universities. That we already discussed, that the student first enroll, then complete the lecture assignments, then he fill the examination form, he go for the examination, and then if he pass the examination, then he will get the certificate. And after getting the certificate, whatever credits will be there of that certificate will be deposited in his ABC ID, or if the institution is allowed, then that credit will be transferred to directly institution. So the student is not able to, student is not going to give that course examination into the college. So that examination is given taken by the Swayam. So that credit will be transferred and it will be came on his directly mark sheet. Now, eligibility for university credits. The university can allow credit transfer for NPTEL SWAYAM course if the university has amended its regulations to permit credit transfer from online courses. The Board of Studies, like your BOS, if it is in private institute, the BOS and Academic Council approves the list of eligible courses each semester. Student successfully completes the course and submit the certificate. So the university had the amended its regulation that the whatever the percentage will be there, the courses are allowed from the Swayam. Then the Board of Study or the Academic Council give the list of courses for whatever the list of courses will be there as per their curriculum, like the open elective, or they are going for the major courses. So that list should be put it on the notice board and ask the student, these are the courses are available on NPTEL. You can complete these courses through college local chapter. So if students are completed those courses, then their credit transfer will be easier to the institute. Now, how we are going to take the NPTEL courses for the credit? The academic regulation must explicitly allow credit transfer for the SWAYAM MOOCs under the University Credit Framework. The Board of Studies publishes an approved list MOOCs eligible credit transfer for that semester. Then the course selection and registration that we will see directly at the time of hands-on. The complete assessment will be there that can be done by the mentor or the SWAYAM. Then after completion of that course, student has to submit that certificate to the SPOC. SPOC is the single point of contact through the SWAYAM with institution, or he has to submit to the college office or the HOD or dean, whatever will be there. Then he will be able to transfer his credit. Credit limit will be there. As per the current UGC rules, university may allow 40% of total credits to be earned via SWAYAM NPTEL online courses if regulation permits. University may apply their own limits per semester or the program. Some apply 20% per semester. As our university is a private university, and we allow students for the 20% credits can be done with the help of NPTEL SWAYAM. The academic bank credit that we already discussed. Now the practical steps for the students that you can give to the student, like ensure your university academic calendar allows time for exam registration and certificate submission. Actually, when the students are going to enroll to the course for credit transfer, the course will be a 12 weeks, and sometimes their online examination and our university examination will be came on the same date. So there should be there is a responsibility for the college that they has to check their academic calendar when the SWAYAM exam will be there and when the university will going to conduct the exam. So there will be no overlapping, that they has to check, and as per that they have to take the decision for the courses. Carefully track the assignment deadline and exam dates on the SWAYAM. If the students, sometimes students are forget, so the mentor or the SPOC has to be responsible for this. They has to check it, and they have to remind the students to examination dates and the assignments. Now, when the college wants to go for this, so the policy language can be as per the NEP 2020 and UC regulations. University may integrate NPTEL SWAYAM MOOCs into their credit framework, facilitating up to 40% credit transfer for successfully completed the courses approved by the Board of Studies, thereby promoting flexible and learner-centric education. So this will be the paragraph in your policy, so that you have to put, and then as per that the student will go for the MOOCs and SWAYAM. Now, after the break, we will go for this hands-on. So in the hands-on, we are going to see what do you mean by the websites regarding SWAYAM NPTEL, how we are going to establish the local chapter. What do you mean by local chapter? My SPOC account, I am going to show you how the SPOC account will be look like, and from that how we are going to check student progress and how we are going to check the certificates. If the faculty wants to enroll to the course, how the faculty will going to enroll to the course, then course assessment and its criteria, then the mentor selection, how the student will be able to select the mentor, and the certification. The certificate will be given to the mentor, and that certificate will be useful to them for their JD as well as for their further career. So they can say, I have mentored for this students and for the NPTEL courses, and the SPOC, he will get an active SPOC certificate that will be appreciation by the NPTEL or the SWAY. To know anyone having any doubt, they can ask. They can ask after the completion of our hands-on. If anyone has any question.
सर आवाज येत नाहीये.
हॅलो,
आवाज नाही येते.
आता येतोय का?
हो येतोय.
येस. काही क्वेश्चन असतील तर विचारा. ब्रेक 4:30 आहे का?
हॅलो सर.
ब्रेक 4:30 वाजता आहे का म्हटलं?
हो सर हो.
क्वेश्चन असतील तर विचारा, अदरवाइज यू कॅन गो फॉर द ब्रेक.
सर मला एक विचारायचं होतं की समजा आपल्या म्हणजे आमच्या कॉलेजेसनी स्वयं आणि एनपीटीआय बरोबर असं कोलॅबरेशन करून आणि आपण ते कोर्सेस सुरू करू शकतो का कॉलेज लेवलला मुलांसाठी, विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी?
मॅडम, कॉलेज लेवलला नाही तुम्हाला सुरू करता येणार, पण तुम्ही एक कोर्स जर डिसाईड केला की आम्हाला हा
हा.
कोर्स स्वयंवरून करायचा आहे, तर
हा,
मग
हा.
तुमची जे काही स्टुडंटची लिस्ट आहे, स्टुडंटची
हा.
लिस्ट आणि त्यांचं पूर्ण जे पेमेंट आहे स्टुडंटचं,
हा.
तर ते पेमेंट आणि ते लिस्ट तुम्ही त्यांना पाठवू शकता. मग ते त्यांच्या
बरं.
लेवलला ते पूर्ण कम्प्लीट करून तुम्हाला ते लिस्ट पाठवतील की आम्ही एवढ्या मुलांचं एक्झाम रजिस्ट्रेशन केलेलं आहे. तुम्ही आता यांना गाईड करा. गाईड करा इन द सेन्स काय असतं, एसपीओसी असतो. एसपीओसी ला
हा.
इनिशिएटिव्ह घ्यावा लागेल, सिंगल पॉईंट ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट जो असेल तो. आणि
ओके.
एसपीओसी जो आहे तो तुमचे स्टुडंट किती त्याच्यावर डिपेंड आहे. जर का 50 स्टुडंट जर असतील फॉर इन केस, तर मग त्याला 5 मेंटॉर तुम्हाला द्यावे लागतील. 10 जर पकडले आपण, तर ते 5
हा.
मेंटॉर जे मुलांची प्रोग्रेस बघतील, ते लेक्चर करताय नाही करताय, असाइनमेंट
ओके.
कम्प्लीट केली त्यांनी नाही केली, तर सगळं ते मेंटॉर बघतील. तुम्ही त्यांना
हा, हा.
कॉर्डिनेट करणार, एसपीओसी जो आहे.
ओके
आणि
ओके.
ऍट द टाइम ऑफ जेव्हा एक्झाम असेल तेव्हा तुम्हाला मुलांना मोटिवेट करावं लागेल, सांगावं लागेल तुमची एक्झाम आहे, एक्झामला जा. कारण एक्झामला गेले तरच त्यांना ते, म्हणजे एक्झामला जर गेले
सर्टिफिकेट.
तरच सर्टिफिकेट. गेले इन द सेन्स त्यांना पास पण व्हायचंच आहे, पण मग अबसेंटी पडली तर मग काहीच होणार नाही.
आणि हे अशा प्रकारचे कोर्सेस आपण समजा एखादं क्वाड्रंट डिझाईन करून आणि त्यांना पाठवू शकतो का
हो, पाठवू
स्वयं?
शकता ना मॅडम, पाठवू शकता, काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
म्हणजे
त्यांना ना
स्वयंचं
ते,
एखादं.
हा, त्यांचं ऍक्च्युली कसं आहे स्वयंचं, त्यांच्याला काही गाईडलाईन्स आहेत, ते गाईडलाईन्स तुम्हाला देतात. त्या
हम्म.
गाईडलाईन नुसार तुमच्याकडे तसं कॉलेजला स्टुडिओ टाईप मध्ये असं इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हवं. मग तुम्हाला काही डेमो वगैरे ते रेकॉर्ड करायला लावतात, त्यांना पाठवावं
हम्म.
लागतं. ते
हम्म.
डेमो
हम्म.
वगैरे सगळं ते मॉनिटर करतात व्यवस्थित, ते सगळं चेक
हम्म.
करतील. आणि त्यात जर का त्यांना वाटलं की ओके आहे, तर मग ते तुम्हाला पुढे सांगतील की तुम्ही आता रेकॉर्ड करा पुढची लेक्चर.
ओके ओके ओके. म्हणजे एक सिंगल क्वाड्रंट पण पाठवू शकतो का आपण, का 4
हो.
क्वाड्रंट आपल्याला लाईक पूर्ण पाठवावं लागतं?
नाही, तुम्हाला पहिले डेमो पाठवावा लागतोय. डेमो ते बघतात,
बरं बरं.
ते ओके असेल तर मग ते सांगतात की तुम्ही आता पुढचं कंटिन्यू करा.
ओके सर,
त्याचा
थँक्यू
एक
थँक्यू.
सेटअप असतो मॅडम, पण सेटअप जो आहे, गाईडलाईन्स आहे त्यांची, त्या गाईडलाईन नुसारच करावं लागेल.
ओके ओके ओके. चालेल सर.
एका वेळेला सर आपण किती कोर्सेसला एनरोल करू शकतो मुलांना?
तर मुलांना तुम्ही एनरोल करताना फक्त तुम्ही कितीही एनरोल करू शकता, एनरोल करायचा प्रश्न नाहीये. पण मुलांची एक्झाम डेट जी आहे ना, ती ओव्हरलॅप नको व्हायला, ते एक बघावं लागेल फक्त. कारण
ओके सर, ओके.
कोर्सेस कसं असतं सर, कोर्सेस तुमचे 12 वीकचे असतात, 8 वीकचे असतात. 4 वीकचे असतात. ठीक आहे. तर मग त्या हिशोबाने तुम्हाला ते डेट्स वगैरे बघून मॅच करून मुलांना सांगावं लागेल.
हॅलो सर.
2 तर ते
थँक्यू
करू
सर.
शकता. 2 तर ते करू शकता, कारण 2चं कसं होईल, मॉर्निंग आणि हे आफ्टरनून 2 सेशनमध्ये 2 एक्झाम ते देऊ शकता सेम डेला जरी आले तरी.
हॅलो सर.
ओके सर.
हा
ओके.
हा
काही कोर्सेस आपले जे आपण एनरोल करतो ते डेट म्हणजे टाइम बाउंड असतात आणि काही कोर्सेस आपण सेल्फ पेसनी घेतो.
हो सर, इग्नोचे आहेत. IGNOU जे आहे ना, इग्नोचे मोस्ट ऑफ द कोर्सेस आहेत सेल्फ बेस्ड.
हां, मग आता समजा मी 1 वर्ष आधी तो सबस्क्राईब केला असेल, तर त्याची एक्झाम आपण आता देऊ शकतो का म्हणजे अशी?
हो, देता येईल ना सर. त्याला काही टाइम बाउंड नाही त्या कोर्सला.
होय ना?
तुम्ही फक्त कोर्स रजिस्टर करताना चेक केलं असेल, देर इज नो टाइम बाउंड असं काही मेन्शन असेल, तर काहीच अडचण
हो,
नाही. आणि जर त्याला टाइम बाउंड असेल तर मग ते लॅप्स झालं असेल.
बरोबर. म्हणजे आपल्याला ते फक्त एक्झामच्या ह्याला रजिस्टर करून परत देता येतं ते?
हो, देता येईल ना, काहीच अडचण नाही. मी बघा PPT मध्ये आहे ना, तुम्हाला स्क्रीन दिसतंय का माझी?
हो.
हो,
एक
दिसते.
मिनिट. हा, एक ना मी स्लाइड बनवलेली आहे, दाखवतो एकदा. तुम्ही जे बोललेत ना आता सेल्फ पेस तुम्हाला, हा हे बघा, ही स्लाइड आहे. याच्यामधले हे जे आहेत ना, इग्नू जे आहेत, डिस्टन्स
हां.
लर्नर स्किल, ह्या तुमचं एखाद्या इग्नूचं असेल ते सेल्फ पेस जो आहे.
मी AICTचा केलेला होता एक.
AICT मध्ये पण
तो
आहेत सर, पण मोस्ट ऑफ द इग्नोचेच आहेत. AICT चे खूप कमी आहेत तसे.
हां.
हम्म.
ओके सर, चालेल सर. थँक्यू.
तर याच्यामध्ये जर आपण एनरोल केलं ॲज अ फॅकल्टी म्हणून आणि आपल्याला परीक्षा द्यायची असेल, तर
हो
सेंटर
मॅडम.
आपले लांब येतात का आपल्याला चूज करता येतात? आम्ही
नाही,
नाशिकमध्ये राहतो तर
सेंटरचं मॅडम मी पण नाशिकचाच आहे. तुम्हाला इथलं सेंटर द्यावं लागेल. नाशिक दिलं तर नाशिकमध्ये आपल्याला सेंटर भेटून जाईल इथे. शक्यतो आपलं MET येईल एखादं.
बरं, बरं.
आणि फक्त मॅम रजिस्टर करताना आहे ना, तुम्ही फॅकल्टी म्हणून करा. कारण तुम्हाला मग एक ₹100 एक्स्ट्रा फीस भरावी लागेल, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला FDP पण भेटेल. FDP सर्टिफिकेट पण येऊन जाईल आणि कोर्सचं पण सर्टिफिकेट येऊन जाईल.
मला आहे ना सर स्वयंमध्ये सोशिओलॉजीसाठी करायचं आहे, पण मला ते व्यवस्थित लक्षात नाही येते कसं करायचं, काय करायचं. सोशिओलॉजी हा सब्जेक्ट आहे माझा. मला ॲज अ फॅकल्टी म्हणून सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स किंवा FDP अशा याच्यासाठी तर्फे काही करायचं आहे कोर्सेस वगैरे. पण माझ्या लक्षात नाही येते ते कशा प्रकारे करतात तसं.
त्यांचा ऑडिओ गेला मॅडम रोहित सरांचा.
हां,
आता
सरांचा
मॅम
आवाज.
डेमो दाखवेल ना, तेव्हा मला तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारा. कोर्स कुठला आहे दाखवा मला, मी तुम्हाला सांगतो.
हो, हो. चालेल.
हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हा सर, मला आता तुम्ही FDP बद्दल बोललात, म्हणजे टीचर्सनी केलं त्यांना FDPचं सर्टिफिकेट मिळतं, जे की आपण कॅसला जे एलिजिबिलिटी पार्ट आहे सर, FDP आपण 2 FDP म्हणजे एक रिफ्रेशरला ऑर समजतो असं आहे. तर सर त्याच्यावरती असं लिहिलेलं असतं की AICT अप्रूव्ड FDP कोर्स असं.
बरोबर बरोबर सर. तर तुम्ही जेव्हा कोर्स एनरोल करणार ना, तर कोर्स एनरोल करताना खाली मेन्शन असतं बोल्ड मध्ये की दिस इज AICT अप्रूव्ड FDP कोर्स. तुम्ही त्याच कोर्सला एनरोल करा.
सर आपली हायर अथॉरिटी येते UGC समजा आपल्या केडर, तर
बरोबर.
मग तरी पण आपण एलिजिबल होतो, म्हणजे आपण ते सर्टिफिकेट आपण दाखवू शकतो का आपण?
हो, दाखवू शकता सर. कारण हे जे आहे ना, MOOC जे आहे ना, हे UGC प्लस AICT दोन्ही बॉडीचे कोर्स त्याच्यामध्ये अवेलेबल आहेत. तर तुम्हाला अडचण नाही येणार.
AICTचं अप्रूव्हल असलं तर ते UGCचं आहेच असं समजून आपण ते
हो
करू
हो
शकतो.
हो, करू शकता सर, काहीच अडचण.
आणि सर त्याचं काही तशा संदर्भातलं पत्र किंवा नोटिफिकेशन हे असं, कारण बऱ्याचदा काय होतं कॉलेजला आपण दाखवतो पण कॉलेज ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नाही असं लिहिलेलं नाहीये कुठे, किंवा तुमच्याकडे आहे का काही?
सर सध्या तर माझ्या सिस्टम मध्ये नाहीये, पण मला ते जसं भेटलं मी तुम्हाला तसं पाठवतोय, किंवा मी बघतो आता इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये भेटलं ना मला, तुम्हाला पाठवतो. पण शक्यतो आहे ना सर, जे कोर्सेस अवेलेबल आहे MOOC मध्ये ते UGC प्लस AICT चेच आहेत. ऑब्लिक मध्ये असतात कधी कधी, किंवा फक्त AICT अप्रूव्ड लिहिलेले असतात. तर AICT आणि UGC दोन्ही पण तुम्हाला चालते, काहीच अडचण नाही.
सर UGCच्या गाईडलाईन मध्येच नमूद केलेलं आहे सर याच्या संदर्भात, कारण की माझा पण कॅच झाला तर ते अप्रूव्ह केलं होतं सर.
सर प्रॉब्लेमच नाही.
त्यासाठी वेगळी काही गरज नाही, कारण की UGCच्या याच्यामध्येच त्यांनी ते अप्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे सर.
मग काही अडचण नाही. कारण जसं पण MOOC जे स्वयंवरचे कोर्सेस आहेत ते दोघांचे मिळून आहेत, UGC चे पण आहे, AICT चे पण आहेत. त्यामुळे
सर
आमचं
मॅक्झिमम प्रेफरन्स हा स्वयं आणि एनपीटीएलच्या कोर्सेसला देणं आता सुरू झालेलं आहे मॅक्झिमम
हो
तरी.
सर, हो हो हो, बरोबर आहे. कारण आता आमच्याकडे नॅक वगैरे झालाय ना, तर त्यांनी सगळं चेक केलं, किती मुलांनी एनरोल केलं, फॅकल्टीने केलंय का.
आमच्याकडे पण नॅक साठी ऑफलाईन आणि एनपीटीएल आणि स्वयंचे जे आहे
बरोबर.
त्याबद्दल विचारणा केली होती सर.
नाही, तुमच्या कॉलेजला जर एनपीटीएलचं लोकल चॅप्टर वगैरे जर नसेल इस्टॅब्लिश केलं काही असेल ना सर, तर तुम्ही करू शकता. तुम्ही एसपीओसी बनू शकता त्याचे. एक तुमच्या रिझ्यूमे मध्ये तुमच्या प्रोफाईल मध्ये ऍड होऊन जाईल ते एसपीओसी म्हणून एक.
सर ते एसपीओसी ला पण मिनिमम क्रायटेरिया कमीत कमी ते 20 मुलं एनरोल व्हायला पाहिजे असं काहीतरी आहे ना, का नाही तसा काही क्रायटेरिया?
नाही, एसपीओसीचं नाही सर, पण मग जे मेंटॉर जे आहेत ना, मेंटॉरकडे मिनिमम 10 मुलं पाहिजे
हा
आणि
10 मुलं ते
पैकी
एकदम.
एक तरी मुलगा त्यातला पास झाला पाहिजे.
अच्छा अच्छा
क्रायटेरिया
अच्छा.
आहे. हा.
ओके ओके ओके
10 पैकी एक मुलगा तरी एक्झाम मध्ये पास झाला पाहिजे, मग त्यांना सर्टिफिकेट भेटतो मेंटॉर.
ओके, थँक्यू सर.
तर स्वयंच्या सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सला ना फॅकल्टीने कसं ऍड व्हायचं किंवा ऍडमिशन घ्यायचं हे एकदा आम्हाला आहे ना प्रॅक्टिकल थ्रू सांगाल का सर?
हो, लगेच ना. आता आपलं एक डेमोच्या वेळेस तुम्हाला दाखवून देईल.
ओके, चालेल. थँक्यू सर.
आपलं कधीपर्यंत ब्रेक आहे मॅडम? हा 5 पर्यंत असतो का?
ब्रेक मला नाही
15
सांगता
मिनिटाचा आहे सर, 15 मिनिटाचा
15
ब्रेक.
मिनिटात. ठीक आहे, मी एक 5 मिनिटामध्ये येतो, मग आपण स्टार्ट करू डेमो.
हो सर, हो.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes. Now we start. This slide is visible to everyone?
हो सर दिसतंय.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, now we'll start with the first. What do you mean by local chapter? So when we talk about a local chapter, it is a person who is see, NPTEL has been offering self-study courses for this. So these are to take this initiative forward for the encourage more students across college to the participate in this initiative. We are setting up a Swayam local chapter in colleges with the approval of management. That is important, which will be under the headship of the faculty member of the college, who would be our single point of contact. That is SPOC. So the main person will be there in the college. So he is responsible to Swayam courses. He has to tell to the students, then student will going to join to the courses, and everything about the student tracking and progress, everything will be tracked with this SPOC. And the SPOC will be done with the help of management approval. So the local chapter main head person is SPOC, and then SPOC will going to guide to the student. So if the college wants to join as a local chapter, so they have a guideline. So the guideline will be a join new local chapter. So in that you will find one letter, one document actually. The document we have to fill and we have to submit to the NPTEL. Then the NPTEL will going to make a new local chapter. So you can see here, this is the format. The letterhead will be there. It should be letterhead on letterhead or your institution or the college. So you have to give request for the local chapter. Then your principal name you have to provide, then his email ID, then the mobile number, institution type, and then pin code, etc. And very important, this is second table, that is name, designation, department, email ID, and mobile number of the SPOC. So that faculty member from your college or your university or your institution, that faculty member will be given, and then the college seal and the signature of the principal, and it should be sent to the person of this NPTEL. So after sending this, the local chapter will be created on a Swayam portal, and it will be mailed to your principal and you also, that the local chapter is established. Now you are the SPOC. Then after that, whatever the students are going to enroll to the course, that student will going to be your local chapter. So if I am a student of your college, I want to enroll to the course. At the time of enrollment, I have to put to the local chapter that the college. Then the SPOC will able to track that student. The XYZ student is enrolled to the course from our college, and he has given the exam or not, he has submitted the assignment or not, that can be done. Then the second thing, the SPOC, that single
Sir,
point of contact. Sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
it is applicable to arts, commerce, science college, sir. Types of
all
institute.
colleges, sir. All colleges.
सर उसमें मेंशन नहीं, इसकी वजह से मैंने पूछा. मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग आपने जो बताया था नीचे.
Designing also, sir. Media, agriculture,
इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजमेंट,
polytechnic,
नहीं आर्ट्स
engineering
कॉमर्स
management,
साइंस.
pharmacy, coaching institute. Sir, actually, when we talk about NPTEL, NPTEल के ऊपर आपके मैनेज के आर्ट्स कॉमर्स के कोर्सेस नहीं होंगे सर. उसके लिए आपको मैंने बोला ना आपको लास्ट टाइम, ये पीपीटी देखो इसमें एक.
हाँ यस यस सर, आर्ट्स कॉमर्स.
हाँ, ये सीईसी और यूजीसी आपको इनको आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा सर.
ओके ओके, यस सर यस सर यस सर.
टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू एनपीटीईएल और आईसीटी. अगर आपको इस कोर्सेज के लिए जाना होगा तो आपको सीईसी और यूजीसी के लिए इनको सेम प्रोसेस होंगे सर. प्रोसेस में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा, आपको इनको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. देन द लोकल चैप्टर विल बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड देन द स्टूडेंट विल गोइंग टू एनरोल.
ओके, थैंक.
Process will be same, only the format will be different maybe. It is for
Yes,
the
sir.
NPTEL.
Yes sir, thank you sir.
Now the second thing is regarding SPOC, single point of contact. Who is SPOC actually? I'm going to show you my account as a SPOC. Then you will see how it will look like. suppose you have filled that form and now it is established as a local chapter. So after establishing, they are going to give you the login ID and password. So the login will be only done with your email ID, whatever email ID you have provided them or that form. Only from that it will be open. So here you can see the SPOC. You can see this window will be there. Here in the left side, my name and my department name. This department name means my local chapter name. It will be my local chapter name that will be visible on a Swayam NPTEL portal while enrolling to the courses. So here you can see, and here very important, this will the profile acknowledgement letter that can be given by the NPTEL. So you can see this will be came from the NPTEL principal, our department, this establishing NPTEL local chapter, SPOC name, my designation, department name, email ID, mobile number, etc. So this is SPOC letter that can be came from the NPTEL. So it is officially SPOC. Now here you can see in the download section. This is current semester student data. The students, those who have enrolled for our courses. Currently we have taken e-business course. So here you can see these are the students are enrolled from our colleges. This list is given. In the previous semester, these are the students data. You can see mentor details, FDP certificate, if anyone is done from our college, that can be came directly here. You can see download mentor certificates here. So if I am a mentor, I mentor to the students, then how the certificate will be look like for the mentor. It is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This certificate will be given to you. For example, here the member is enrolled in the table. You can see 21 students was given to this mentor. Now,
No, sir, visible, sir. Visible.
Okay. 21 students were given to this mentor. 20 student was present in the examination. From that, the 6 is less than 40, 6 is in that range, score, topper, righty. That record will be given here, and it will be certificate of appreciation by the NPTEL and the Swayam. That said, it is awarded to the person name and recognize he is as a mentor for the NPTEL online certification courses. So this type of certificate will be given to the mentor. And the SPOC that we discussed. So how the SPOC certificate will be look like if you worked as a SPOC.
So can I ask a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, suppose you are one SPOC, and if another person, another professor from the same department or from the same college also wants to be doing that, then he will also become a SPOC, or the same will work?
Ma'am, actually,
local chapter will be same.
if it is university, yes, ma'am. If it is university, so in the university there are various departments. So department-wise, SPOC will be there. But if your management is allowed only one SPOC from your college, if you have only one department out of small college simply, so they only allow you for the one, because this name will be visible to the portal. So when the student is going to enroll, he will be confused which department I have to choose. That's why it is depends on your management. So which department name or which local chapter name they wants to give on a portal. So this will be the SPOC certificate. So here you can see exam registered count 101 to 500. It means we have actually 350 students in the last semester. So for that student, it will be count there, present, registered, how many students was present there, certified, more than 50% students was qualified or the pass. So this will be there, and this type of certificate will be given by the NPTEL or Swayam. And also, rather than this, there will be some workshops or the awareness, new SPOC awareness programs are there. So they are also going to provide you financial support for the travel allowance to go and come from the conferences. So it is on you. If you want, if you are SPOC, if your management is allow you, and if you have time, then you can also attend those conferences and seminars by the NPTR and SWAYAM.
Okay, sir.
So this is up to SPOC and local chapter. Now the main thing is that how we are going to enroll to the course. Course selection and enrollment for the student and the faculty that we are going to see. This is very, very important. So if you are thinking to start from in your college, or if you're thinking you have to, you're going to do this, so it is up to you. Now for that you have to only write SWAYAM on Google. You will find SWAYAM central link will be there. If you click on this link, so here the login and sign up option will be there. If I click on login and sign up, it will directly get login. I think my email ID is open. Here you will find two options: sign with Google and sign in with your email. So you have to click on sign in with Google. If you click this, it will ask from which email ID you want to log in. I have accounts with both the email IDs, so I will show you. So if I open, suppose this first email ID, now it will directly open a complete page. But in your case, if you click on sign in there, then the profile button will directly open. I will show you which profile button will come directly. You will get directly this page, profile page. So here, all the things you have to fill: your name, mobile number. There is problem in server. I think it will take time. See, this profile will be open. Here you have to give your name, mobile number, email ID. It will come directly. Date of birth, the pin code where you are going staying. All these things you have to give. In the profession tab, here the option will become student and faculty. If you are a faculty, you have to select a faculty, and if you are a student, you have to select a student. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the profession, you have to select faculty. If you are a faculty, if there is a student, the student will be selected as a student. Then highest qualification. If we are faculty, our highest qualification may be PhD or the master that we have to select. Then it said year of graduation that we have to provide. If we have a ABC ID, then here you have to click and say, yes, I have ABC ID. ABC ID we have to provide. If you don't have, then don't worry, you have to only choose I don't have ABC or upper ID. Now, very, very important, this step. It is a part of local chapter. Suppose you are a faculty and your college already established a local chapter. Then here you have to say yes. Student also, if the students are enrolling to the course and if he is from your college, then he must select this local chapter as a yes. Then he has to give the state. State is Maharashtra. And in the college name, you will find here a list of local chapter. So here our local chapter is Department of Computer Science and Applications, Sandeep University, Nashik, Maharashtra. And in the bracket, you will see 6823. This 6823 is our local chapter ID. So same, the ID will provided you by the NPTEL when you establish your local chapter. So this is very, very important part. Most of the students are made mistake here. They are not selecting the proper local chapter. And after that, the student progress is not going to see to the SPOC as well as mentor. So this is very, very important that the student has to select this local chapter college name correctly or local chapter name correctly. If student made the mistake and if you know, then the profile can be edited, but not lifelong. If the student, suppose today is enrolled, only 15-20 days it will be editable, so student will able to edit this. But at the time of enrollment, the best way is that you have to guide to the students or you have to call to the student to the college in the one laboratory or in the one place. You have to ask the student to sit and enroll to the course. Then if you local chapter is selected, then the college name, university name or your college name automatically came there. Area and department. If we are computer science, from computer science, so science is the area and department is computer science. And finally, you have to submit it. After that, the course selection will be there. Student has to select a course, whichever course you have decided, that course should be selected by the student. Suppose here I have enrolled e-business course. So this e-business course, we have current semester, we have told to the student that you have to complete this e-business course. We have taken as open elective from our courses. So these courses, and after that, the courses will be enrolled. You will find, when we click on this Go course, you will find that all the details regarding this e-business course. See this window here, announcement about the course, question answer, progress, mentor, mentee list, review assignment, and course recommendation. So here you can see mentor and mentee list will be there. If I click on mentor, you can find all the faculty members from our department. These faculty members, I have made them as a mentor because they enroll first as a faculty, and in the SPOC login, I have option. So I have select them as a mentor. So these students will be visible to all the students, those who are going to enroll to this course. These faculty members will be show them. So we have already circulated the notice that, for example, this first faculty member, suppose Monali Jadhav ma'am, we have tell them from 1st to 20 serial number students will going to select as a mentor to the Monali ma'am. Then the 21 to 40 students will going to select this person. Then third, fourth, we have decided, we have circulated to the notice. And while after enrolling this course, student will came to this section mentor and they are going to select this, and then they just select the name and click on set mentor. After clicking on set mentor, this student information will only visible to the Monali ma'am. So she will be tracked. Student is completing the lecture or not. Student is checking the assignment. Student is submitting the assignments on time or not. Everything will be shown there. In the left side, you can see course outline about NPTEL, how does NPTEL and week 0. So if you click on week 0, you will see the week 0 assignment and this is given. The course is not started yet. Course will going to start from 19th of January. So here you will find all the course material is available. Here the assignment 0 is given as a demo. And here you will find one question is having 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. And after that, you can see check answer and submit it. So after submission this will be submitted to the NPTEL. As per that, the marking will be there. It is 0 week and 0 assignment. It is just for demo purpose because the course is not started yet. It will going to start from 19th of January. Now, how the course will be start, where we will find this, where we are going to find these things. So that we will, you can see here, that I will show you. See, if we click on here, suppose organizational behavior. One minute, network issue है. That we discuss regarding credits, it is open elective or which one course. So you can see in the summary, the course status is upcoming because it is not started. Course type is elective. Language of the course content English. Duration is 12 week. It is a 12-week course. Category, it is from management studies. So as per NAP, we know if I am a computer science student and I want to complete, I want to take as open elective. So that can be, I can take from any department other than the computer science. So we choose this e-business for our students. So it will be category as management studies and it is open elective. So they can take from other department. So we choose this. Here you can see the credit is 3. As per our course structure, the open elective course is having a 3 credit. Here also it is 3 credits. So it is matched. So we can take this course that we decided. Level is undergraduate and it is given for the BCS students. So it is undergraduate. It will going to start from 19th January. It will going to end at the 10th of February. Enrollment is going to end at 26th January. Means the 26th of January up to 26th of January, student can enroll to this course. And exam form is already open and it will be closed from 13th of February. So before 13th of February, student has to pay and they have to enroll to this course. So this is, and here you can see, this is an AICTE approved FDP course. So if the faculty is enrolled to this course, then at the time of examination, they will get an extra option that you need a FDP certificate. If you said yes, then it will ask you to pay extra 100 rupees. Suppose you are from the open category, so 1000 rupees for the course fee and 100 rupees for the FDP fees. So if you pay 1100, then you are eligible for the FDP certificate. And if you go to the exam, if you pass, then you will get both the certificate. So this is regarding the how you are going to choose the course. The very important is credit points that we have to check. How many credits we have in our course structure and how many credits it has here. You can see the exam date will be 26th of April. So it is same like our university examinations. So as per that, you can check this date, you can check our calendar where when the examination will be there. And as per that, you can choose the course. If the course date, exam date will be in our examination, then you have to change the course. So that things you have to do. So this is, and if you want to go to the course, if I click on go to course, you can see I already enrolled. That's why it came directly go to course. Instead of this go to course, it will came a join course. Instead of that, it will came as a join. Suppose I take this business school statistics. So here you can see join option will be came, and it is only a 4-week course. Okay, and it is also FDP. So you can get the FDP certificate. If you click on join, same I told you, it will ask you the profile. The profile will be shown. You have to just edit that profile as per your requirement. There is a server problem actually, that's why it's not opening. So if I am going to join a new course, you can see the profile will be there. I have to fill this profile. State Trambakeshwar. Here you can see if I said a local chapter is yes, then it will going to ask you the state, and here you will find all local chapters. So here you can see these are the local chapter list: Shri Ram, then Jaivan, TSSM. So from that I can search our local chapter, Department of Computer Science and Applications, Sandeep University, Nashik. If I click on this, university name automatically came. Science, computer science, I agree. And if I click on update profile and join, then I join this course. Now you can see, thank you for registering for the course. Click the announcement tab for important information. Here, course recommendation will be given to you. Here you can see the exam date will be 19th April, hall ticket, date change, all the information will be given here. Question answer, if student have a FAQ, they can ask, review assignment, mentor. Here, if they want to fill the examination form, they can click here, click to register for certificate exam, then they can fill the examination. Here, all the information we have to fill, city, college information, everything we have to select. We have to give our college name proper. Here, it needs passport photo, signature, and Aadhaar card or any ID proof that you have. If you belongs to the SC/ST category, then the fees will be 50%. 500 you have to pay. This is the information. Now, what type of certificate student will get? That I will show you. You can see in this mail, I will show you the certificate copies. Up to now, anyone having doubt, they can ask. Takes time download. Course enrollment, just hello, Avaz, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you have to do only, you have to just log in your email ID, then you have to go to the Swayam, select the course and start with the Google. Then it will automatically take your email ID. You have to fill the profile. If you have a local chapter, you have to select the local chapter and you can join to the course. After joining, if the exam form is open, you have to fill the examination form, go to the exam. Then if you pass, then you will get the certificate. That is a simple process. Only the local chapter is important. If your college having a local chapter, then you have to go to the local chapter, because this all the data will be available online. If there is any assessment committee like NBA or NAC, they are not going to ask you the direct hard copy. Sometimes they check it online. So the local chapter will be there, and current semester count is already available. They directly check the count, how many count is showing on the particular local chapter, and then they are going to cross check you. They came to the college and they will ask how many certificate you have, how many students are enrolled in the last semester, and they just cross checking these things. So the every students, they are going to interested, or they are going to enroll to the MOOC courses, it should be gone from your local chapter. You can see the courses are available, many courses are available there. Here you can see the filters are available. Here you can see NPTEL, all courses, self mode, regular mode. If we choose regular mode, it will show 6 week, 4 week, 20 week. As per our requirement, we can choose course language. Languages are see, you can see the languages are available like Bengali, Punjabi, Telugu, Hindi. Then course exam date. If you are taking the filter that it is on that date, there will be a problem, or the university examination will be there. So you can skip that date, and alternate date you can check. Course credit you can check. Yes, we are doing this course for the credit transfer, so it should be yes there. And then you can see the courses are available there. You can see the NPTEL symbol. So the NPTEL symbol are there. So as per the symbol, you can choose see the course. It will be related to the NPTEL only. If we see all, then it show all the courses. NTTR, CC, then INI, NTTR, IGNO will become. So various institutes are there. Collaboratively, they are making the courses and putting on this web. So as per their institution, as per their requirement, the students are completing this course. Download it. Okay. Now time to
क्रेडिटायझेशन संदर्भात एक क्वेरी आहे.
कशाबद्दल सर? कशाबद्दल?
क्रेडिटायझेशन
हा सर, बोला.
विद्यार्थ्यांना आता एनईपी मध्ये किंवा सीबीसीजीएस पॅटर्न मध्ये क्रेडिट संदर्भात, तर याची प्रक्रिया, तर द प्रोसेस ऍक्च्युअली इज लाईक university will put list of some courses on the website.
Barabar.
And affiliated
Yes,
colleges are expected to enroll their student to those courses only.
Yes,
and
sir.
Then,
Correct.
But in my observation, that university should display the list of courses well in advance, like at the time, at the very time the semester starts. Then
Yes,
only this process can be done. But in our university, this process is not being followed so far. Whether in your university or as a local chapter or SPOC, what is your experience? That whether
Sir,
this
our
process,
experience is that, sir, we are a private university. So before starting our academics, we have to do this process. We have to take the approval from the VC or our academic dean. We have to show them these are the courses we are going to take. They are verifying it, our academic dean and our VC, and then they are going to give us approval. So on the basis of that approval, we took those courses.
Yeah, I mean only shortlisted, because just now you shown that you opt the option of yes for the creditization, the course that you did already. But directly that will not go for the creditization, because if that course is not approved by the university for that academic year and that NCFR level, then creditization will not happen. I mean, will not be done for the student.
I explained in the PPT also, sir, how the university will going to take the courses. So they made the amendment and they are going to show the list of courses to the student, and then student will going to join those courses, enroll to these courses, give the examination, and submit the certificate to the college, and then college will show the certificate to the university for the credit transfer.
Sir, as an affiliated college at university, at what center we should communicate regarding this? I mean, to whom should I contact regarding this at university level?
तर वरचं
Or
आपलं
should
ऑफिस
we
आहे बघा.
write to registrar directly regarding?
Sir, for this, your head of the department will give you the proper information.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Because I am in the private university, sir. So here the rules are, I know, but from our university, Bhamu University, to whom you have to meet, I cannot tell clearly. It will be, I think, from examination controller, examination office.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Student will going to get the certificate after completion of this course. This will be the simple this will be the simple certificate. The student is passed this examination and she get this certificate. If the students are passed with the good marks, so they having some elite and silver certificates that I am going to show you. How the elite certificate will look like. You can see the screen. See, this certificate is a elite, then silver, as well as topper 5%. So these students are secure the score in top 5% student to the students, number of students enrolled to this digital signal processing. And also he got the silver medal, elite and topper 5%. So this type of certificate will be given to the students. So they can put it on their resume that I got the certificate with having a top 5%, having a silver, having elite. So this type of recognition are given to the students if they perform well in the examination. So this will be the benefit to the students. And again, they can say, I completed this course from the MOOCs. So most of the resource person from this NPTEL, those are from IITians. So it will be beneficial to them. They learn the things from the IIT professors. So this is regarding our hands-on Swayam. So we saw what do you mean by local chapter, who is SPOC, how we are going to select the course and how we are going to do the enrollment, student as well as faculty. Then the course assessment and its criteria. The course assessment and its criteria I explained already. When the students are doing the course, they're getting the assignments. That 0-week assignment I show you. That assignment they have to submit within a week. and daily they have to, whatever the lectures are available there, they have to complete it, and the tracking will be in the background, the NPTEL will do it. Mentor selection, that mentor selection tab I have shown you, the mentor list will be shown to the student, and student will select the mentor. And after completion of this course, student will get the certificate if he passed in the examination, and the mentor will get the certificate in every semester if his local chapter is active in the sense the number of students are enrolled to his local chapter. And after that, the mentor also will going to get the certificate if he has a 10 to minimum 10 students as a mentee, and one of the student from this mentee is passed in the examination, so he will get the mentor certificate. The mentor certificate, SPOC certificate, and student certificate I have shown as a demo. So this is regarding your MOOC, NPTEL, and SWAYAM. These are the various agencies, you can say, those are available on MOOC. So this NPTEL AICT show the engineering and technological courses. CEC UGC is going to show the arts, commerce, and science courses. IIMB will going to show the management related courses. NCRT, NIOS will going to show the school and education related courses. NITTR will going to show the teacher and the faculty FDP. This you have to focus for the faculty FDP purpose. IGNO, it is related to the self-placed, just only enhancing the skill, because most of the courses are only for just learning purpose. There is no requirement to give the examination, and there is no deadline. INI will going to show advanced and specialized courses. So we can focus on this advanced and specialized as a faculty, and we can focus on this teacher faculty FDP on NITTR, and this NPTEL and AICT, it is a core part of the SWAYAM. So this is regarding a hands-on on this. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Then we can go for the further conclusion and the other part.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
How much gap between the first and second course, sir?
First and second course gap means I don't understand.
Sir, for example, in the first semester, we are started the one course. We have completed that course in first semester only. I am interested to do another course in semester second. If it is possible to do it, sir?
Yes, it is possible, ma'am.
Okay, sir. That's why I am asking. In our institution, sir, so many students are doing the NPTEL course, sir.
Okay.
That's why I am asking if they are in the fifth semester and after sixth semester they join another course also, sir.
Yes, they can join, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am, here in our college, for the second year students only, BCA and BSc, for the third semester and fourth semester, we have compulsory given them SWAYAM courses. In the third semester, students have taken organizational behavior course. Now in the current semester, we have e-business course. So the third and fourth
sir, which one is good for the BA students, sir? Which course?
For BA students.
BA students, sir.
Ma'am, I cannot tell regarding BA students because I don't have idea regarding. Actually, I'm from computer science, so for computer science,
they are doing it a soft skill, sir. They are doing
that is
in
okay,
soft
ma'am.
skill.
See, soft skill, organizational behavior, both they can do because they are working with the organization. So how they are going to behave there? So you can also suggest them organizational behavior if they are interested. They can go.
Some students are like they are interested in economics, sir. They are doing in economics, sir. Some students are interested in soft skills, sir. They are also doing the soft skill.
Good, ma'am.
Is there any specific which are to be very much used for students, sir?
That I will check, ma'am, regarding BA, and I will definitely let you know.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, regarding this, on SWAYAM website itself, they have given one tab for humanities and arts. There are so many courses enlisted there, like
humanities and arts.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is also. I am also seen, sir. It is also seen.
Where
further, I am asking, sir, anyone subtopic is there for the especially in BA students.
Okay. Where it is given that tab, ma'am?
On home page only, sir.
Home page only. Okay.
There is horizontal row of.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is home page only shows that, sir. Humanity
Okay.
and arts.
Okay.
I will also see this, sir.
Okay.
And one more thing we can do, ma'am. We can sort courses as per NCFR level, National Credit Framework level. Accordingly, because first year student have their defined NCFR level, second year students also, and likewise we have the difficulty, or we can say the standard level.
Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, when we are choosing the course, it is there undergraduate level or post graduation level. So that is also one type of filter that we can check.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes, ma'am.
सर आपल्याला एखादा म्हणजे सपोज आता मला नॅनो मटेरियल किंवा नॅनो टेक्नॉलॉजीवर कोर्स हवा आहे, तर आपण वगैरे टाकू शकतो का त्यांना की असा काही कोर्स आहे का वगैरे असं, कारण बरेचसे होऊन गेलेले असतात वगैरे.
हो मॅडम. हो ऍक्च्युली ना तुमच्या जे SPOC आहे तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटला कॉलेजला, हा तर त्यांचा ना ग्रुप आहे मॅडम व्हॉट्सअपचा, तर ते व्हॉट्सअपवरती मेसेज टाकून त्यांच्याकडनं माहिती काढू शकता.
म्हणजे असं काही कोर्स ऑर्गनाईज करा असेल.
हो टाकू शकता मेसेज ते की जर असं रिक्वायरमेंट आहे तर आम्हाला ते तुमच्याकडनं येईल का इनपुट म्हणून, तर ते रिप्लाय करतात ग्रुपवरती.
हो का? नाही म्हणजे टीचरसाठी म्हणते मी आपल्याला.
हो करता येईल मॅडम मेसेज, त्याच्यावरती फॅकल्टी साठी लागतोय म्हटल्यावर ते तुम्हाला रिप्लाय करतील.
ओके.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, at a time, as a faculty, how many we can adopt, sir, NPTEL courses?
As many as you want, sir. There is no limit. Yes, there is no limit.
Okay, thank you.
And sir, if we want to provide MOOCs courses, then how can we provide?
Sorry, ma'am.
If we want to provide a course, like not just attend the course, but provide a course, then how can we provide a course?
Ma'am, same question was asked in the previous session also. I found in our department that one of the faculties asked to the NPTEL, and they said you have to send the demo lecture. So there is one proper environment. You have to record your lecture in a proper environment as per their guideline. You have to send them. If they approve, then you can go for the complete course. That is actually process. But to whom you have to ask and what, that I have to check. I will let you know, ma'am. I will check and I will let you know definitely.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, another one question, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
How many ratio means how many percentage are to be register or enroll the NPTEL course, sir? For example, 1500 students are there in college. In the NAC purpose, how much are percentage are to be need for the NPTEL course, sir? For the NAC purpose, sir.
For the NAC purpose only.
Yes, sir. How much percentage they need?
Ma'am, actually, do you know the concept advanced learner?
Yes, sir.
NAC?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So actually, what NAC expect the student, those who go for the advanced learner, they should go for this type of courses. So whatever the advanced learner list you have, you can just check that number of the students, and as per that you can add it in your files.
Okay, sir.
Actually, in our colleges, we have compulsory it. We have said compulsory for the second year. So we get 300, 200 certificates in each semester.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you go through NAC's guideline, NAC manual, the old manual, because new manual yet to come. In that manual, in criterion 1.3, talk about this NPTEL courses. The total number of courses, unique courses, must be more than 25 if you want to claim 100% marks regarding that key metric.
More than 25?
More than 25 courses, unique courses. And students' total enrollments 35% or more student then you can claim 100% marks, like
Okay.
20 marks, or 15, 15 marks.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
For NBA, sir, I mean, how many students, from the institution?
Ma'am, I cannot say directly. I have to check and let you know, ma'am.
Okay.
The process, I tell you how you are going to establish the local chapter, and how you are going to mentor to the students, how you are going to will be a SPOC, and how you are going to track the students with the help of mentor. This flow chart will be there. In every institution is going to follow this flow chart. So as per that, whatever the students is enrolled, so we have to take care that the 100% students should be present to the examination. That is very, very important, because sometimes students are not aware about that. They have to submit the assignment, they have to go to the examination. After examination date is gone, the students are called and said, sir, what about this paper examination? And we already told them this examination you have to go for the swayam, and then there will be a backlog. So student will going to frustrate. Why? Because this is the fault of the mentor and the SPOC. They are not guided properly to the students, and due to them, the student is not able to attend the examination and the this. So the active SPOC and the mentor, two persons are very, very important in this role, because students are not in the classroom, or we are not going to take their exam in the college. They have to download the hall ticket, they have to go to the examination center, and they have to queue the exam. That is requirement. So shall we go for the conclusion? If you don't have any question.
Don't have questions, sir.
Okay. Session is up 6 o'clock night.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir. It's
Yes, sir,
visible.
yes.
Okay. Now, when I want to conclude this lecture, so the information and communication technology, that is ICT, has emerged as a foundational enable for transforming teaching, learning, and research process. So, our government, or as per the bodies, accreditation bodies, they are focusing on the ICT as compared to the traditional teaching and learning process. We have to use the ICT technologies. So it will going to transform our teaching, learning, and research into the new area. It will going to integrate of ICT components like hardware, software, networks, and digital content, has facilitate the scalable, flexible, and learner-centric education. Like MOOCs, it will going to represent a significant evolution of ICT applications. It will going to offering the structured, accessible, and technology-driven learning opportunities, because we seen in the MOOC courses, the digital contents are available, videos are available. We can complete it anywhere and anytime. In the Indian higher education context, platforms such as Swayam, NPTEL have institutionalized MOOCs as a credit academic resources. So we can use this Swayam, NPTEL courses in our academics. The MOOCs have been effectively positioned as the ICT infrastructure supporting curriculum design, blended learning, and credit transfer. Because as per the NEP, New Education Policy, the SWAYAM courses are taken as a mandatory from our curriculum that the student has to complete the 40% as per the NEP 2020. The 40% courses should be covered from the SWAYAM or the MOOC, and uh, specifically the open elective courses should be done from the NPT SWAYAM. Its alignment with the national education policy has strengthened the role of MOOCs in promoting flexibility, multidisciplinary learning, and academic mobility. The SWAYAM, the purpose of this SWAYAM is put it on NEP that due to this, every institution, college, and the universities affiliated, private, everyone has to take advantage and the benefit of this MOOCs that developed by our government of India. So due to this NEP 2020, we are using this. The integration of artificial intelligence, that is AI, with MOOCs enhance the personalization, learning, analytics, assessment, efficiency, and research support. So with the help of this AI and MOOCs, we use this. The AI-enabled tools further augment MOOCs by the assisting in content recommendation, academic writing, and research data analysis. So whatever the tools we can use with the AI. So currently the MOOC, whatever the steps and the strategy MOOC currently is using, so that we can enhance with the help of this AI. The adoption of ICT-enabled MOOCs has a significantly enhanced access, equity, and the quality in higher education. The faculty and the learner will going to get the benefit from the continuous professional development, skill enhancement, and lifelong learning opportunities. Previously, if there is a FDP in any college, then we have to register, we have to attend, and then we are going to get the certificate. But rather than that, some courses are current courses and that can be useful for our professional career. Those are available on this SWAYAM. So we can easily complete these courses. If it is AICT or the UGC approved, we can complete it and we can get the FDP certificate. The hands-on exposure with this SWAYAM and NPTEL empowers the participants to effectively integrate MOOCs into teaching and the research practices. So the hands-on that we have taken, how we are going to enroll to the courses, how the local chapter will going to establish. So this process, if we know, then it will be easy for us. And the students, those who are enrolling to this course, so we can help them to enroll this. Again, moving forward with the systematic adoption, capacity building, and the responsible use of the AI will be crucial for maximizing the academic and the research impact of the MOOCs. These are the references that I have used at the time of preparing this presentation. Now, thank you. We have, I think, 10 minutes. So if you have any question, you can ask.
Thank you, sir.
Any question? Okay. If question is not there, then I am here, Dr. Nilima Kore, for the vote of thanks. On the behalf of the organizing committee and all the participants, I extend my sincere and heartfelt thanks to Dr. Rohit understanding AI tools in the research. Sir, your session was extremely informative and well structured, and it provided us with a clear understanding of how modern AI tools can be effectively utilized in the various stages of the research. Your ability to explain complex concepts in a simple and practical manner made the session highly valuable, especially for the students and young researchers. We truly appreciate the time, efforts, and expertise you shared with us. Your lecture has not only enhanced our technical knowledge but also inspired us to adapt AI-driven approaches to improve the quality and the efficiency of our research work. Once again, thank you to the Dr. Rohit Gupta sir for your valuable contribution and for making this session a great success. We are grateful for your presence and look forward to such an enriching interaction in the future. Thank you so much, sir.